Why do you want to join one funnel challenge? Why? There is a why. You have might be this question in your mind, why I want to join this one funnel challenge, what I am going to learn this one funnel challenge in this one funnel challenge, what is why this one funnel challenge is especially for me, I want to join this. Hey everyone, this is Nilesh, and if you want to let's start at the YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So, this is the question that everyone has mind, in everyone's mind, that why I want to join this one funnel challenge, or why any kind of product, right? So, also this why is one funnel challenge, why I want to purchase this one funnel. So, first thing, if you are newbie, if you are struggling to start, if you want to start anything online but you are struggling, this is the challenge that help you. Second, you are in a service industry, you are providing any kind of services, might be funnel designing, might be copywriting, might be SEO, might be any kind of skill service designing you are providing. You learn the concept of funnel that help you to scale your service business, right? Then third thing, you have no idea what you are in the coaching and consulting, you have no idea how I am scale my business of coaching consulting with a funnel. This is the thing that help you to start to learn. Then you are might be selling e-com product or something like that, it helps you to scale your business. So this is one funnel challenge, is not any specific for any one niche, it is for every market. Just you just need to understand the particular of your niche, and you need to apply the concept that you are going to learn in this one funnel challenge. Then now next thing, why? So you have no idea how to you are a newbie and you don't know where to start and what is my niche, and so many clarity, no, you don't have so many clarity. So you learn from the this one funnel challenge is called a funnel concept. This funnel concept is literally change your business, your life, your career, everything, because funnel is the future. Funnel is the future, and if you master this skill, if you master this concept, you literally change the world of your, you literally change the life of your own. So this is why, that's why I tell you that why you need to join this one funnel channel. Next, you have no you have this question in your mind, I don't have any product, I don't have any services, I don't have any skill yet, I'm a useless guy, I'm a useless guy. So this one funnel challenges help you. How? By you just from you learned, first you learn from this one funnel challenge, then you pitch the you share the information that you learn, and then you tell to other people like you, right? So this is where you connect with the people, right? You connect with the people, and it help you to sell if you become an affiliate for this product, and it help you to make sale, and the investment you do for this one funnel challenge, $100 is give you back, is you get again from just one single sale, right? So this is where things are changed, this is where that it helps you a lot in your business. Or next thing, you are connect with the people who are like-minded, because once you purchase this one funnel level challenge, you are enter in the community of entrepreneurs, paid community, not a freebie, they are paid community. And once you are enter in the paid community and you build a relationship at here, it helps you to make more money at the end, it helps you to build your brand. On I said literally last year I am struggling in this my journey of entrepreneurship and online marketing, online business. But once I joined this one funnel away challenge, and things are, so many things are changes, right? Few days ago I achieved completed 200 days in Facebook live, and completed my 5 days, five not 5 days, five show of interviews with the top people, top experts, and next few more come in my show. Right, all these things only happen because of this one funnel challenge. I gained the confidence, This challenges give me confidence that yes, Nilesh, you can do anything in your life. If you have this mindset, you can do anything. So all things happen because of this challenge, all things happen because of this uh, relationship and learning and implementation. So this is where the things are changes. And you are might be, you still have this issue that I don't have, want to join, I have no money of $100. So I suggest you can become an affiliate. And there is no you don't need to be worried for that I don't have money, or you just learn and share with other people. And once people find it very valuable, they make purchase with you. If they purchase with you, you are then and there make your $100. The investment that you do is you get again. So this is where you don't need to be afraid for investment of your sales learning. So, and this is the thing that there is so many concept in the one funnel challenge, like hook story of offer creation, lead magnets, funnels, traffic, so on, right? So you are stuck in your journey. You have a business, but you are not able to scale. You are an entrepreneur, but you have no idea where to scratch, where to scale. You are coach and consultant, but you have no idea. You have a course, but you are not able to make sales. This one funnel challenge will give you the path. This one funnel challenge will give you the uh, path of your journey to how you scale your business. So literally it will help thousand, around 100,000 people, around 70,000 to 80,000, or might be 100,000 people, to scale their business, to scale their life, to scale their journey, right? So this helped me, this helped 70, 80,000 people, and this help you as well if you take action. So also come up, if you have to, if you have a plan to join this one funnel challenge, you can reach out to me and you can comment on this video. You can DM me, anything that you can do. But if you really want to start online business, if you really want to scale, if you really want to grow, I suggest you join this one funnel challenge with the mindset of growing, with the mindset of learning, and with the mindset of helping the people. This once you think, add this thing, you are grow like crazy, you are grow like crazy. So don't miss out the opportunity. This next OFA one funnel away challenge starts in next Monday. Have a time till, so don't just think for much. I'm giving so much of bonuses of mind. So there is no overthinking to join this OFA. The link is in the comment section. You can reach out to me if you have any queries. So till then, bye bye. Have a great day. Have a great night. Have a great morning. Whatever the part of the world you are watching me right now. The link is in the comment section. Bye bye.